to study in groups. I prefer to study in groups than study alone, because I have two reasons to support my answer. First, we can share the idea. For example, I and my friends are go to my home because we do homework together. But we do homework before we ate the ice cream and snack, and we go to my home again. Later, we arrive at home. We do homework, but I have no question, so my friends are say to me to answer. That time, I thanks to my friends. Second reason is it is a lot of fun. For example, we do homework and finish all of it, so we play with friends in my home. Also, we ate snack and juice, and so we play board play, soccer, baseball, to play fun sports game. In conclusion, I prefer to study in groups than study alone. First, we can share the idea. Second, it is a lot of fun. Thanks for listening our presentation.